Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them. Many of you venturing into the real estate industry often ask yourselves, do I need an LLC to wholesale real estate? This video will explore the benefits and drawbacks of forming an LLC for your wholesale real estate business and help you make a more informed decision. A limited liability company, LLC, is a legal business structure that provides the limited liability protection of a corporation while maintaining the tax advantages and flexibility of a partnership. This business entity is particularly popular among small business owners and entrepreneurs, including those in the real estate industry. Before continuing the video, let's introduce you to Bizee. Bizee is a professional formation service company to file your LLC. It's an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. The full review of Bizee is also given in the description box down below. Let's continue the video. What is wholesale real estate? Wholesale real estate is a process in which an investor contracts a property from a seller and then assigns that contract to an end buyer. The wholesaler profits from the difference between the price they negotiated with the seller and the price the end buyer is willing to pay. This strategy allows investors to profit from real estate transactions without actually purchasing and owning the property themselves. Now, the important question is, do you need an LLC to wholesale real estate business? The short answer is no, you're not legally required to have an LLC to wholesale real estate. However, having an LLC can offer numerous benefits, especially when it comes to liability protection. An LLC is crucial for separating your personal and business assets, which can protect your personal finances in the event of a lawsuit or business debt. Here are two real-life scenarios where an LLC can be beneficial for a wholesale real estate business. First scenario, you acquire a property under contract but are unable to find an end buyer before the contract expires. The seller may sue you for damages, but an LLC can help protect your personal assets from being targeted to compensate for the seller's losses. Second scenario, a property you've contracted has undisclosed issues that lead to a lawsuit from the end buyer. As an LLC, your personal assets remain protected, and only the assets within the LLC are at risk. Forming an LLC sounds complicated and expensive, but using an entity formation service guides you through the process so you know it was done right. Most popular service is Bizee, renowned for its free service. For just $0 plus state fees, clients can enjoy preparing and filing the articles of organization with a complimentary registered agent service for the first year. This comprehensive package not only ensures top-notch privacy safeguards but also provides excellent value for money. With Bizee, customers can rest assured that their easy, fast, and effective service, allowing them to focus on their business endeavors with confidence. Will I pay more taxes as an LLC? LLCs typically do not pay more taxes than sole proprietorships or partnerships, thanks to pass-through taxation. This means that the LLC's profits are passed through to the individual members, who report the income on their personal tax returns. As a result, the income is only taxed once, at the individual level. Now, another important topic, what is maintaining the corporate veil? Piercing the corporate veil refers to a situation where the courts may disregard the limited liability protection of an LLC, leaving the personal assets of the members vulnerable. To avoid this, ensure that you maintain a clear separation between your personal and business finances, and treat your LLC as a separate legal entity. Proper record keeping, following your LLC's operating agreement, and adequately capitalizing your business can also help prevent piercing the corporate veil. While forming an LLC, which one to choose? Single-member or multi-member LLC? The decision to form a single-member or multi-member LLC depends on the number of individuals involved in the wholesale real estate business. If you are the sole owner of the business, a single-member LLC is the appropriate choice. However, if you have partners or plan to bring on investors, a multi-member LLC would be more suitable. LLC bank account. Once you have formed your LLC and obtained an EIN from the IRS, you should open a separate bank account for your LLC. This helps maintain the separation between your personal and business finances, which is crucial for preserving the limited liability protection of your LLC. You can obtain an EIN from the IRS website. What to do next? If you're considering forming an LLC for your wholesale real estate business, it's advisable to consult with an attorney or tax professional to ensure that you make the best decision for your specific situation. They can provide guidance on the legal and tax implications of forming an LLC, as well as any additional steps you may need to take. Setting up an LLC to wholesale real estate. Setting up an LLC for your wholesale real estate business involves a few simple steps. Choose a name for your LLC that is unique and compliant with your state's requirements. File the articles of organization with your state's Secretary of State office. Create an operating agreement to outline the management and ownership structure of the LLC. Obtain an employer identification number (EIN) from the IRS. Open a separate bank account for your LLC. By forming a legal business entity, you can minimize your liability and take advantage of potential tax savings as well. Now, I'm going to show you how to start an LLC using Bizee, and in the description down below you also find a review of their service. They are one of the best entity formation platforms in the market that charges $0 for their service. Now, let me just show you what types of services Bizee provides to business owners. After arriving on their website, you will see the list of all the services they provide. Under the Start Your Business section, you will see 4 of their key services, which are form an LLC, C Corporation, S Corporation, and Nonprofit. As you can see, there are 3 different packages: Silver, Gold, and Platinum. And the first thing that's worth mentioning is that the state fee does not change. You can see it's $236 in all the packages. Some of the extra services that are included in this package are preparing and filing the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent for 1 year, and unlimited phone and email support. Next, the Gold package, which costs $249. And this is the package I highly recommend, with filing EIN, which is a business tax number, Form 2553. It also comes with operating agreement, business bank account, lifetime company alerts, tax consultation, etc. In the next section, Bizee is asking you to provide your LLC name and its designation. After that, they ask you whether you want to get a registered agent through them or not. Getting a registered agent is a legal requirement in order to file an LLC in any state. Bizee is providing registered agent service free for 1 year. And after that, it's $119 per year. Bizee is asking you whether you want to get an EIN or not. In the next section, Bizee will ask you whether you will set up a small U.S. business bank with Bank of America. Then if you want to get a free tax strategy or consultation call with them. In the Bizee dashboard, if you go to Legal and then Licenses and Permits, they can do this research for you and make sure that you have all the proper licenses and permits. After providing all the information, Bizee will be the one handling all the documents and registering your LLC on your behalf, so you won't need to go through any of these hassles.